Hi, my hair is a mess. What's up? My name is Moziy, and today guys, welcome back to my channel once again. I know I started in a very random place, alright? Actually on my way to the shopping mall. And as you can see by the title, I'm going to upgrade my setup. Alright, I'm going to buy specific things to upgrade my setup. We're going to this mall right here, which is big as hell. I'm going to show you right now. We're going to this mall right here, which is Colombo. It's one of the biggest malls, I think, in Portugal. So yeah, or the biggest one in Portugal. And we are going to just buy stuff, really. Yeah, because first of all, my microphone died, so I need a new microphone. And I'm thinking of replacing my camera. Instead of being with my phone, I'm going to replace it with the actual webcam. So yeah, a good one in this case. Hopefully a good one. Hopefully I can find a good one. Awkward at recording in public. I'm going into the second story. These are like 3 stories, and I'm going to the second one because I think the store that I'm looking for is on the second floor, and the store that I'm looking for is FNAC because it has the microphone that I want, and I'll show you which microphone it is, and I'm still going to do an unboxing for it. Okay, I found it. It's right there. So I'm in the right place now to find it in this big mess of a space. So here's what happened. I found the microphone, right, that I was looking for. It's more expensive than a certain other microphone that I've been looking at. So I'm gonna take another microphone, not the one that I was gonna buy. So yeah, I was gonna buy an Hyper X Solo Cost, but I found a better priced one. So the webcams are a thing that I'm finding a bit more expensive than a microphone. I don't know, I think that's kind of weird that the webcams are more expensive than a mic. Anyway. So yeah, I don't know if I should still buy it. Oh, so I got the mic. I'm going to another store, an electronics store, to see if I can find a webcam, a cheaper one. So yeah, if I can't, then I'll still record on my phone.
A few moments later.
So I got the camera, going home, and then I'm going to unpack this in front of you guys. I haven't shown anything, I think. Check it out at home. That's what I got. Cool. So I got the Razer Siren V2X USB microphone for streamers. So let's unbox the microphone first. Oh, I fucked it. I cannot return this afterwards, man. Oh, I had to fuck it, didn't I? I ruined the box. Man, honestly. Okay. Where's the mic? The microphone is here. Wow. I'm trying not to break it because if something is wrong with the mic, I need to return it. So
A little longer than a few minutes later.
oh, I just removed like that. Okay, well then, I guess that's as easy as it goes. Oh, and the wire is here. Oh, fancy wire. Damn. I don't know if you can see, but here it is. It's heavier than I thought, and it's bigger than I thought. So this is going to be my new mic. This is my old mic. Alright, I'm going to plug this in and then I'm going to test it out how it sounds to you guys. So right now you hear me on the Razer Siren. So this is how I sound on the Razer Siren. There is a little knob that I can raise my voice. So like if I do this, I'm going to be very loud right now. Like I'm generally much louder, and I can continue going much louder, but also can go very quiet. Like right now I'm very quiet. But yeah, I need to just configure this to make the proper sound, so I can sound good. So next up, I'm not using the microphone at the moment. The microphone is connected. I'm still using the microphone for my phone. But right now I'm gonna unbox this little fella, my new webcam. The webcams are expensive, okay? Like I've never taken in consideration that webcams can be this expensive. So yeah, it wasn't absurdly expensive, but it was expensive for the budget that I was thinking for a webcam. So yeah, that's basically the box, paperwork, how it works. So yeah, let me put the receipt inside of it already, so I don't lose anything. So, it smells new. Oh, there's a little thing to hide the camera thing. That's nice. So it's a thing that slides out, so you can hide the camera and the FBI doesn't see you. So yeah. This is how the camera looks, the little USB, and yeah, so I'm going to connect to my computer and see how I look. Cool. So this is how I look. I'm literally using the microphone as well. This is how I look in the camera. Okay. This is how I look in my iPhone camera. This is how I look in the HP camera that I just bought. So I am pretty sure that the iPhone camera is much better, of course. You know, I understand that these webcams, they require a lot of light sometimes so you can look good on them, okay? Of course, there's cameras that are like expensive. Like I saw like the Logitech one, a streaming one, which was like 200 euros, like insane. I don't know what it does, I don't know what it has, but it was like this tiny. I'm happy with the result of it, okay? I'm going to try and add a bit more light to this place. I also want to buy like a black curtain so I can take this light out, so I can just have the light from here. So yeah guys, I'm going to finish this video off with the new microphone, the Razer Siren Mini V2 X, whatever the name is. And tell me what you think about the new camera as well, okay? I'm recording at 1080p, 30 FPS per second. So yeah, not at 1080 60 FPS anymore. So yeah, but just tell me in the comments what you think about. So yeah, and the camera is the HP 320F HD webcam. So yeah, cool guys. If you enjoyed this type of video, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of my content, of course. And I'll check you all in the next video, which is going to be a stream. Cool. Check out my next video. Bye.